Hello everyone, so today I will be here to help you guys on installing Markdown. The process is pretty simple, so let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first step I would suggest you guys to do is that you should go to Google and type in install Markdown, and after that you just need to go to usually it's gonna be the first link right here, install Markdown Quick Tool Studio. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And pretty simple, it's gonna be like a quick tour right here with all the instruction right here, but in today it's just gonna go ahead and show you guys like some of the essential information. So it's pretty simple. So what you need to do is you just need to copy this code right here, right click copy, and go back to you get back to RStudio. You just need to go ahead and paste this right here so that the software will go ahead and install it for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Control enter to let do all the stuff. After it's finishing installing, you're gonna see that like in this area right here, down here. Pretty much like after you finish installing it, you just need, in order to create a new Markdown file, you're gonna go ahead and click right here at the top, on the top left under file. You're gonna see a green plus sign. Click on that, and you go ahead and click on Markdown. And you can go ahead and assign a title right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like test one R, and click and based on the output format that you like, you're gonna click on that. But usually for this class, you're gonna go ahead and click on HTML. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose it. Click OK. So before we're gonna get to the main stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and suggest you guys to do this important step. Just go ahead. You're gonna use the knit function right here, and I'm pretty sure that you guys gonna go do it a lot. And this function, this button, what it's gonna do is look like this. So you're actually gonna need to save it first. So I would suggest like pick a certain location to save it. So in this case, just gonna save it on desktop to make everything simple. Just go ahead and put it right here. Maybe like a name it like test one or something like that. Save it. And after that, you can see that like it's giving you a preview of what your file is gonna look like when it's come to HTML. So I just pretty much like open my super raw R file, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to work with Markdown and knit it into a HTML file. So first I'm gonna go ahead and just copy and paste like this raw data right here to test RMD, and I'm gonna go ahead and copy pretty much like until this part right here. So it should be enough to show you guys like what we're gonna need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy right here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this part right here. Just go ahead and highlight everything and click delete, and go ahead and copy paste everything right here. There we go. So if you go ahead and you try to knit it, it's gonna result in a file that's I guess like look kind of okay, but I really want to show you how to make it look better. So everything in Markdown is pretty simple. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you how to pretty much changing the size of the title that you like. So as you can see right here, we have the pound sign. And the fun fact is that like the more pound sign you put in front of the sentence right here, the smaller it gets. So you click on knit right here. It's gonna go ahead and show you a really big size word, and I'm gonna close it and add on like a second pound sign. Oops, sorry. And as you can see, like the font's getting a little bit smaller. And if I add a third one, it will become even smaller. And second thing you will need to know about Markdown is that like you can type pretty much like everything everywhere without getting like error like you did in the normal RStudio console. So for example, I'm gonna put like this is just a test right here. This is just a test, and you're gonna ahead and knit it. it's gonna go ahead and show you like oh there's your text right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that. And next up, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to bold a sentence that you like. So if you come down right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back to normal. And in order to bold it, you're gonna go ahead and put like a two star at the top at the beginning, and after that 2 star at the end. So the function, this function is gonna do is that like it's gonna bold your data. So if I go ahead and click on it, it's gonna show that this reading data source right here is bold. I'm gonna go ahead and close that and move on to the next step. So the next step is that I'm gonna show you how to insert a block of code in our Markdown. So it's pretty simple. You're gonna go ahead and click on anywhere you like, and I would suggest click over the block of code you want to put it, and you're gonna go ahead and go to the right corner and click on insert. Go to R. And you're gonna copy the block of code you want to put it in there. In this case, you're gonna go ahead and put like this block right here. I click on cut and I go ahead and paste it right here. And you're pretty much done. And when you click on it, it's gonna return to you a file that looks like this. And wow, it looks so much better now. So as you can see, pretty much like when you need it under the block code, you see that there's a code right here, and it's gonna be inside the light gray box, and if you go down, its results will be in the white box, and the same thing happened for the rest of them. The reason why this doesn't have the the white box, because this doesn't return anything under the console, like under the R console, so that's why like it stays the same. And the final things I want to show you on this are Markdown tutorials that you can pretty much like easily change everything up here about title and to the output without doing without much effort learning about extra stuff. So in case if you want to change title, you're gonna go ahead and just fix it into like for example, I put it test 1. I'm gonna put it like a test 1 Markdown. I'm gonna change my name I'm gonna change my name to Terry Lamcow, and the date I'm going to change it into May 11, for example. I'm gonna go ahead and knit it, and pretty much like yeah, everything changed accordingly. Next thing I'm gonna do is that like I'm gonna go ahead and change everything we have in here, and let's see what happened. Pretty much the result when I pretty much change everything accordingly, just by using the tutorial that I just showed you. And as you can see, everything looks so good with all the results, the table, and even if you scroll down right here, you can see that our Markdown can even display the graph that you did with your code in R console as well. The graph, the table, everything you need to know. So I hope that this quick tutorial on R Markdown will help you on learning the basic of R Markdown. Of course, there's going to be more function, but for this project, I think this should be good enough to decorate and make your file look like it was done by a pro. So I hope it's helped, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.